You want to see something cool? Check this out. Bam! A little sneak peek of how the car is now looking. And if you want to win this exact car, you have 2 weeks left to get entered. Head to deviniemela.com, get your order in. Every $3 you spend is 1 entry to take this car home. I will be shipping it right to your door, right to your front doorstep, or flying you out and you can drive it home. And if you win and you don't want the car, the winner can also select $20,000 in cash. Man, oh man, am I excited for today. Today, the Evo gets new wheels, or a new color of a wheel, and it's gonna get exhaust. And maybe, if I have time, a few other mods as well. So this is how the car currently looks. Street Fighter LA Wide Body Evo 10, Work ZR10 2P wheels. When I ordered these wheels, I thought the white centers, the chrome lip would look great on the white paint. Unfortunately, in my opinion, and I think a lot of you guys' opinion as well, this ain't cutting it. So today, we are gonna fix that. All of the wheels are now stripped and blasted. Let's go ahead and get these things powder coated. Initially, I was planning on doing matte centers with a gloss black lip. I decided to not overcomplicate it. Let's just do a gloss black on the whole wheel. So the powder I am spraying is the very beautiful Obsidian Black from Prismatic Powders. This is the ultimate gloss black in my opinion. If you're into powder coating and you haven't checked out Prismatic Powders, head to their website, I'll link it down below. They have thousands of different colors available. 400 degrees at 10 minutes. These things are done. Are you guys ready to see how beautiful these wheels look? Oh yes. Now that, my friends, that's gonna look nice. Fresh out of the oven, these things look a million times better. I should have ordered them in all black from the start. Let's do, of course, a test fit. Yeah, that is the game changer. That's way better. Now it really accentuates, I guess is a proper term for this, how crusty the calipers are. Those things gotta go, they gotta be fixed. It looks like you guys want them OEM red. I might just set up a poll so it's clear. It's a little difficult to go through like 500 comments and figure out what you guys actually want. Yes, that is what we are after. That looks so much better. Man, check these wheels out in all obsidian black. That looks beautiful. I mentioned the Stormtrooper vibe would be cool on this car. Here it is. What do you guys think? That looks insane. I know the ZR10s had potential. I run ZR10s on a lot of cars. It wasn't the design of the wheel that's bad. It was straight up just the color combo. Let's move on and install some exhaust on the Evo 10. Now this here is a system I've been wanting to try for a very long time. This is the Ultimate Racing dual tip system. I'm a big fan of all the ETS products. This is going to be very, very similar to what we run on my wife's Evo 10, which is the ETS dual muffler system. Let's do a before and an after. As of right now, it's all stock and it is extremely, extremely quiet. Yeah, that's gotta go. That's almost more important to fix than the wheels. That sounds awfully, awfully similar to that. Let's go on a quick rip and see how it sounds from inside. Now, of course, I can't do anything crazy. It's a brand new motor with 48 miles on it. But let's go see how it sounds. Let's finish off the day by installing these guys here, the Work ZR10 decals. Now you can order these in pretty much any color. Right now I'm gonna run red because of course it'll match the brakes. So this here is what I ended up with for the day. Now keep in mind, I do have an additional set of wheels on the way, an 18-inch instead of 19s. I think these look perfect, but of course we will install the other set as well, and the winner can choose whatever set of wheels they want on the car. Exterior wise, this thing is almost done. I want to do something with the chrome housing on the headlights, maybe something with the taillights, but it's getting close, man. It's getting really, really close. For reference, this is how the car looked a few days ago, and this is how it looks now. Only 2 weeks left to get entered in on taking this beautiful Evo home. Head to the website, first link in the description box below. Every $3 you spend is one entry to take home the wide body Evo.